back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be installing a auto headlight switch for the 2011 Jetta. The switch, I got it from, there's the part number, off of Amazon. I believe it was like 26 bucks. So the stock Jetta switch is just, it's got a on off button or a switch. So what we're going to do is install this, and it's going to automatically turn on the headlights and off. When it's daytime, obviously it's going to be off. And so yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, he's only got on and off, and that's it. On the new switch, so you got 4 over here instead of 2 on and off like his stock one. So this one we'll just put it on auto, and that's it. You don't have to turn the lights on ever again. It'll just do it by itself. It comes with the sensor where it senses when it's dark outside. Okay, so this is the sensor, as you can see. And I seen people just like put it up here in a corner and glue it, and that's it. This side hooks up to the switch and then to the OEM harness. So it's like a, I don't know, a timer or whatever. Actually it's like a relay that senses, the sensor senses the lightning and then sends the signal to the relay, and then the relay switch them on off. I believe it's a relay inside or whatever. Well, regardless. So first things first, push this, put it to 0, push it in, and then twist it to the right like that, and then pull it out. So like that. As you can see, it's pretty much in the middle. So you push it in and twist it to the right. Now you have a clip here. You just push it and it'll come out. Just a sec. And there you go. So now you can put this back, as you can see. So you push it in. I need to use 2 hands. So you push it in and like that. And these pins right here, they go inside, and you can pull this out. So anyway, the switch, you don't need it no more. So now we're going to hook this up here. So it goes like this. Sorry, I'm using one hand, so it's not that easy. Okay, so click it in. That's it. Now we have to hook up here to the OEM wiring harness, and you do, hang on, yeah, it goes like this. So and you hear that beep, that means it's on. So now, as you can see, you can switch to auto. We'll leave this here just for now. Okay, so put that back, ran the, here I'll show you. Yeah, the new one is a little bit tight. So, okay. So, ran the sensor through there, went this way, took it through there, and put it right here. I was gonna go all the way up here, but I would have to pull this panel off, and I don't want to deal with that, so I put it right there. It's not that visible, so and then the wire I used this. If you have a plastic one, you're better off just first you put the sensor and then just go this way till you go all the way around and inside, and that's it. So now you do, when you want to put this back, make sure everything is connected. So you just push it in, put it to 0, that's it. Now this plastic, you just pry it. Just pry it and that's it. Nothing to it. All done. Now let me show you. So you lock and then you unlock. They come on. You lock it, they shut off. Alright, so this is how it works. I installed it right here, as you can see. So now I'm gonna try this. So let's see if I cover it, it comes on. If I move my hand, give it 5 seconds. It's off. So cover it, comes on. Move your hand. So it comes off. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.